Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate WordPress REST API for SEO content migration. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the WordPress REST API and its significance for SEO content migration. Ensure you have administrator access to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and search for the Application Passwords plugin. Install and activate the plugin to enable the authentication feature. Once activated, head to your user profile in the dashboard. Scroll down to the Application Passwords section. Create a new application password by providing a name for it. Click on Add New Application Password and save the generated password securely. With your application password ready, open a code editor or development environment of your choice. Begin constructing your API requests using a programming language like Python or JavaScript. Use the appropriate endpoint for the WordPress REST API, typically structured as yoursite.com/wp-json/wp/v2/. To authenticate, include your username and the application password in the request header. The header format typically includes authorization, basic followed by your encoded credentials. Use base64 to encode your username and application password together. Now, create a request to the posts endpoint to retrieve current content. This entails sending a GET request to yoursite.com/wp-json/wp/v2/posts. Inspect the response to ensure you're retrieving the correct content. Prepare your new SEO content in a structured format, for instance, JSON. Ensure to include all relevant fields such as title, content, and excerpt. To migrate content, send a post request to the WordPress REST API using the posts endpoint. Include the prepared JSON data in the body of the request. Set the appropriate headers to define the content type as application/JSON. Once the request is sent, check for a successful response indicating a 201 created status. Monitor for any errors during the migration process and rectify any issues as needed. Conduct a thorough review of the migrated content on your WordPress site. Verify that all SEO components, such as meta descriptions and keywords, have been correctly implemented. Finally, test the API integration to ensure ongoing compatibility for future content migrations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.